How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. If you're a regular viewer of ours, you'll notice that my current chart looks a little bit different than you're used to. In this video, I'm going to go over some extremely important death cross data. One of the most bullish patterns I've actually noticed in a very long time has just been posted, and you need to know about it. Now, this data was actually sent in by a viewer. We talked about it over email yesterday, and I just thought it was so important that we needed to share it. Credit to you, you know who you are. We really appreciate your question yesterday that led to this discovery. Before we dive into this data, I want to let you know we just earned our 70th win in 2023 so far. We are 70 wins, 0 losses, and there's 12 active trades for you to join if you'd like. 70 is a major milestone. We're really excited to see that, and honestly, based on our trajectory, I think we could easily hit 100 wins, 0 losses by the end of 2023. Absolutely incredible. Look at all this profit that has been earned. All this green with the blue just being some active trades. We are so proud of our members, so proud of our trades, and our insane win rate is all thanks to the indicators you see here. We use these indicators almost every single day to make our trades. Again, 70 wins, 0 losses on our scalping trades using these indicators. As we go through this video, you will want to actually snag these indicators. They are going to be crucial for our analysis, and as of today, this is the last day of our $600 off sale. This is the biggest sale we've had yet, so do not miss out. Links for these are in the description down below, and I'll show you how to access them at the end of this video. Speaking of video, if we head over to the future forecast tab over here, we just released a brand new future forecast video. We have proof of a 33K Bitcoin soon, with September being the last chance to buy. I actually just finished watching this myself, and the data I'm going to give you is going to piggyback off of all the charts that you're shown in this video. Do not miss out. We will look at extremely bullish technical analysis patterns, hidden whale liquidation points, on-chain data, and also talk about risk management and how to take advantage of this data present right now on the charts. This video is available to our members right now. Links are in the description down below. And as a heads up, the membership's necessary to get the full $600 off the indicators. So be sure to snag that for the amazing benefits. With that, let's get into the video. All right, so I'm going to describe what you're seeing right now. Each of the yellow dotted lines is a halving event on Bitcoin. Most people will know at this point that halving events correlate to really big bull runs in the market. Pretty much immediately after we see a halving event, we see the next all-time high. It's been very, very consistent, and the next one is expected to happen in sometime April of 2024. In between each of them, you're going to notice 2 red lines and a green line. Each of these lines will correlate to a death cross, and a death cross occurs when this green line, the 50 moving average, falls below the red line, the 200 moving average. Most often this will result in pretty significant drops. You can see right here we got a death cross, we got a drop, a little bit of a pump, death cross again, and then an insane drop to the downside. Here's the pattern here. The green line here, also a death cross, is the 3rd death cross in each cycle. Interestingly, this death cross seems to correlate to the absolute beginning of the bull run on Bitcoin. From this death cross, and if we go all the way to the top, this is just a small little 8,400% profit. So that's after the very first halving event. Let's go to the next one. Let's see if this pattern is repeatable. Second halving event here, death cross number 1, drop. Death cross number 2, drop. Death cross number 3, massive pump to the upside. And if we scroll over a little bit here, from the time of death cross moving all the way to the top, this was an 843% move up. Bitcoin literally 8 times since the time of that death cross. This was the most recent halving event. If we scroll over to where we're at right now, most people will be familiar with this chart. Right now, we're seeing death cross number 1, drop. Death cross number 2, that started the bear market right here, and we just got death cross number 3. Now, only time will tell if this continues to play out, but this does fall in line. If we scroll back here, most often Bitcoin will bottom out. It'll see one last drop before the major pump. Way back here, same deal. Right before the halving event, we saw the local bottom and then the insane pump. Just all this data seems to line up with the fact that this could be the very lowest that we go before Bitcoin sees its massive pump to the upside. We still have not formed a lower low here. Let me scroll in, actually, it'll be easier to see. Bitcoin has not formed a lower low. This was our most recent low. If Bitcoin drops below that level, then that forms a lower low, which would be an indication of the end of this little bull move up, but we have not fallen below that. Because of this, we have not formed a lower low. This is still a higher low and is likely to continue the uptrend. So that's the major pattern I want to show you. There are typically three, count them, 1, 2, and 3 death crosses in the market after a halving event for Bitcoin. And so far, this has happened twice now. The third death cross marks the very beginning of a massive bull run to the upside. I have to tell you, this is not financial advice. Historical data does not guarantee future results. That's the unfortunate reality of cryptocurrency. However, this does appear to be a very strong pattern, and if it plays out this time again, I think this could be a very common indicator in the years to come. Now, I'm going to head over back to the regular Bitcoin charts. I'm going to turn off the moving averages right here, going to turn on the TC top and bottom finder, turn off drawings, and we're going to head to the weekly time frame. Another confirmation of the next move up we're looking for is a buy signal. You can see buy signal, move up, buy signal, move up, buy signal, move up, buy signal, major move up, buy signal, move up. Over and over and over again this happens. But it really feels like the pressure is building. If we get a buy signal at this level, this very well could be the catalyst that we're looking for the next move up. We're looking for a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF to be posted within probably the next year or so. I think this will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin as well. Now, as the price moves up, we will also be looking for a sell signal. Whenever we see sell signals right here, drop, sell signal, drop, sell signal, drop, sell signal, major drop, sell signal, drop, sell signal, drop, sell signal, drop. Extremely reliable. This indicator took 4 years to make, and I want to give a shout out to Tony. He's the one that coded this indicator. We really appreciate you, man. But he set out to create the best indicator to call the tops and bottoms in crypto, and I think he did it. As the price begins to level out, once again, we're just looking for a buy signal. And as the price begins shooting back to the upside, we're going to be looking for a sell signal. Now, I'm not going to give an exact price prediction for this because Travis did in his future forecast. Now, for those that don't know, Travis is the man. He is the founder of Trade Confident. He provided some crucial expertise that you need to pay attention to, again, in our future forecast members only content. And what I showed you is just an example of it, just a snippet of it. And if you watched to this point, I'm actually going to give you a sneak peek. We're going to head over to the future forecast tab, scroll down, let's click play and check it out.
Family, good morning. It is Friday. Guys, we made it to Friday, and this future forecast is going to blow your guys' mind. I'll tell you, after you watch this, you guys are going to believe with me. I believe September, from like now into the next 15 days, this is where it is time to accumulate. So I'm going to get in here and I'm going to show you guys all these charts, and we're actually going to take some trades based off the charts I show you guys today on Tuesday. We are going to acquire based off what I show you today. On Tuesday of next week, we're going to acquire thousands of dollars, okay? This will be fun.
Thanks so much for watching that with me. I think this is going to be really important. In fact, as we said right here, if you're going to watch any future forecast this month, let it be this one. Let's go. Our members are going to get an extra discount on these indicators as this market plays out. You're going to want to get access to all of these indicators. It's going to be absolutely crucial. The trend dashboard, breakout detector, TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades and favorite indicators are the ones we use every single day for our trades. They've earned us 70 wins, 0 losses so far in this market, and you can get them right now for up to $600 off. You cannot miss out on this deal. Today is the last day. The coupon code ends at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Just a few hours left. You could snag the indicators at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are right here. Second link, click that. It'll bring you to our Labor Day sale ending today at 5 p.m. Pacific time. This person earned 16% with us, $9,000, and their account is up 39%. Absolutely insane. This person made $950 in one day, way more than enough to cover the indicators. This person earned $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely absurd. We're going to scroll up here, and the best possible deal goes to our members. You're actually going to need a membership to get the full $600 off. Trust me, it's worth it even just for the discount because non-members only get $100 off with this sale. It's significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without, so snag that membership, watch that future forecast video, get access to our scalping trade calls, and click this link to access the $200 off sale code. Click Pro Indicator Pack, then you're going to click I want this. Boom, right here. From here, you're going to enter the discount code and then fill out your information. Click Pay, and it's going to offer you the remaining $400 discount. That puts you at the full $600 off. Click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and you are now the proud owner of all of Trade Confident's state-of-the-art indicators here. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.